let's learn how you can change your Zoom profile picture. So there are two methods to do this. First one is if you go to your website Zoom instantly on your browser, and second one is if you want to go from application to web browser. So how you can go from application to web browser is you will have to click on your profile picture right here, then move your cursor to this email thing and just click on my profile. As you can see here, it's a link that will lead you to my profile on website, so this page. When you reach this page, you will have to find this pencil button with your profile picture behind. You will have to click on it, and as you can see now, it will appear change profile picture pop-up. If you click on this change button, it will open three options. First is choose the picture, so the new profile picture, and take photo if you are on phone, and delete. We want to change our profile picture, so we will use it for something, I don't know, this one for example. And if you're done, just click on save. So that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.